loved math because it was objective, right? You know what the right answer is. There's always a right answer. You know, what makes a good paper is very subjective. The solution to the equation is always the solution. This is a fantastic institution. I really get to know my students, and they really get to know me as well. I really get to know their dreams, their passions, what they're interested in. I get to follow them as they go through their academic process, and I get to see them evolve into the person that I know they can become. I hate boring math classes. I've never been the type of person to just want to sit in a math class and just take notes. So I don't approach my own classes that way. I like a dynamic teaching style where I get my students moving in the classroom. We get in groups, we talk about what we're learning, why are we learning what we're learning, and I feel like it really helps my students connect with the material in a deeper way. The small class sizes here at Columbia College benefit students incredibly. You're able to talk with students in the classroom. You're able to discuss these ideas with them in the classroom versus larger institutions where if you don't understand something, you may not get that one-on-one help in the classroom setting. You can actually ask a professor a question here and you know it's going to be answered. You can do anything with a mathematics degree. I mean, anything. A lot of people think that if you go into mathematics, all you can do is just be a teacher. All you can do is just be a professor. That is absolutely not true. I have friends who are in the private sector who work for the government. I know people who work for national defense. You can do anything with a mathematics degree. Why? Because a mathematics degree teaches you how to think and it teaches you how to solve problems. In our world today, we need problem solvers. Even though we're an old institution, we're always looking toward the future. I'm always looking toward the future with the mathematics program here. What can we do next? How can we better serve our students? What are some programs that we can do to better serve the students we have here? Who are some guest speakers from the field that I can bring to show my mathematics majors, what they can do with their degree? We are a future-focused organization, institution that also honors its past. And that's what I love about this campus.